Welcome to another unboxing video, and another set that I got from Salute 2019 today. And this is the American Civil War Union Infantry in sack coats skirmishing from Perry. So this, I think, is the final American Civil War set that I haven't looked at yet. 38 figures. And it looks like we get some figures firing, which is missing from the other two infantry sets. So we get some information on the back with some examples of what the models look like and the paint scheme, and one of the models broken down. So let's have a look. So we get the individual bases this time. On the other sets, it's the square bases, rectangular bases. This one we get the looks like 20mm individual skirmish bases. Oh, two of those. And then let's have a look. So we've got a couple of different types of sprue. So it looks like these, I guess, are going to be all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then two larger ones and a middling one. So let's have a look at the information first. We get the Union Infantry with the examples and the paint schemes. We get a couple of flags. And then we get the divisional motifs or badges for the various corps and divisions. And then we can see how they manifest themselves on the uniforms there. So let's have a look at this one. So this is going to be the officer and drummer and standard bearer, looking very similar to the other sets that we've got. 4 figures. And then we get, so we've got standard bearer, bugler, drummer, so we've got pointing, pistol in hand, sword in hand, sword and scabbard in hand, and standard. Then we get, so a couple of KPs there in the middle. We get a rifle, we get the drummer's hands, and we get a selection of hats. So 4 different styles of hat. So that's the command sprue. Then we've got 2 sprues of 5. And the standard Perry arms rifles. Looks very similar to the other sets of Confederate and Union. We get the KPs and the slouch hats, and we get a little bit of a wig going on there because all these guys are bald. So you can have him without a hat and just the hair. So that's the 2 largest sprues, and then we get 8 sprues of 3 figures. So we get a kneeling guy, and then 2 standing up. So it looks like we've got 1 shooting arm and 2 holding. And then again, selection of hats. So we can have all in KPs or all in brimmed hats, or a mixture. I don't know what the average age of a Union trooper was, but these guys look like they're in their 50s and 60s, possibly even older, but maybe that's just the style of beard and the fact that they're artificially bald. So that's what we get. And that is the Perry Skirmishing Infantry for the American Civil War. Thanks for watching.